Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I want to start off by saying thank you guys for all your love and support. I love all your comments, and I just want to say in my last video, I know it was like a horrible video, but it was my premium, my Boxycharm premium, and right here I have my Boxycharm base box. Somehow my email said 1.1 pounds. This one as well says not 1.1 pounds. Same dimensions, same everything, so I was kind of like, I emailed Boxycharm and they said they had a mix-up or something. I don't know. So I really didn't get information about like my weight and my dimensions of the last box. But I'm gonna unbox this one with you guys. So if you guys want to see me unbox this, then keep on watching. I'm just trying to open this because I don't have anything with me. I don't have any scissors or anything. Okay, so this is my box, and I got variation 31. I see it right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. And the theme is Boxycharm Sunshine. Boxycharm is a $25 monthly subscription. For me, it's the best one. I canceled Ipsy, I canceled Birchbox, I canceled I had another one, but I canceled it and only stayed with this one. And I love Boxycharm. I know there's a lot of like negative feedback on Facebook, at least in the groups I'm in, and I don't complain. I love Boxycharm, and thanks to them, my makeup collection has grown. Anyway, so let's get into the unboxing. The first thing I'm reaching out is this. What is this? Oh, it's Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eye. Oh, it's an eye mask. Anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. And here comes the little one. So this is what it is. And this retails for $21. It's suffering from dark circle, puffy eyebrows, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes. Perk them up as if you just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. Okay, I can use these. I mean, I probably sleep 6 hours. Hi! Hi! Uh-oh, here he comes. Okay, I don't want to open them because probably won't use them because I honestly don't like eye masks. But I'm going to give them a try. Here, I won't open them, and I just did. No, 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 no. Oh, okay. How many pack is it? I just read it, didn't I? It has 12 pairs. I'm trying to see. Oh, okay. So this is what they look like. They're pretty. I like them. They're pretty. I'm probably gonna have to start using them. I have like a whole box full of skincare, like masks, face masks, and these. I'm gonna have to start getting into them. I have probably a lot of like under circles. Anyway, next product. Box. What is this? Oh, wrong way. And this is 111 Skin. Is that what it says? This is a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. I'm turning 28 next month. Thanks for reminding me. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Is that how you say it? I don't know. Anyway, so this retails for $130. Oh wow, $135 for this little thing. I can pay my phone bill with that, and I can have extra for gas. That's a lot of money for this little thing. Wow. I'm gonna have to, hopefully it makes me look very beautiful by the end of the day when I use this thing, because wow, $135. I'm sorry guys, I'm probably thinking, wow, you're crazy, but oh my god, I don't know why I'm smelling it, but okay. Oh, I don't like the texture. I don't know. Okay, no, never mind, I'll take that back. I don't know why I have to smell it. My hands smell like sanitizer, but it's actually really nice. $135 product. Okay, Boxycharm, I see you. That's why I don't cancel, because of anyway, that's a lot of money for that. Next item in here is this. Whatever. Oh, the Pure Festival palette. This is Get Into State of Intense Euphoria. I don't know what that is. With this shimmer infused 12-piece pressed pigments palettes that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking light, reflective formulas, these cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transitions shades. Wow, that was a mouthful. And I love cruelty-free products, so I hope this is it? And here comes the little one. Here comes my baby. He's trying to get into it. Ooh, I love it. I love that. It's kind of like a velvety. No. What do you call this? I don't know. I'm kind of like. Oh my gosh. Look at those pretty shades. Oh wow. So this blue one, this one's called Electric Shade. Oh my gosh. Yes. How about this one? I don't know why the glittery ones catch my attention. Oh my god, yes. Okay, let's try this turn up. So that black one, I think it was a black. It's called VIP Pass, and this one's turn up. It's this pinky. Oh, okay, they're beautiful. I love them. Okay, they're definitely gonna get a great use out of this. I mean, I don't know why my camera stops recording. I have to keep an eye on it. So next product, I guess it's this last one. It's this Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. Ew. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm missing one thing. Oh no, I'm not. My bad. It's in here. Sorry. So I'm gonna keep doing this one, the Hourglass. This is probably like my second Hourglass product in my collection. I mean, it's pretty expensive, so. How do you? And this is Dark Brunette, of course. Okay, so this one is an ultra precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblade worthy effects without blade. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm just looking at my camera. Hopefully it doesn't freaking stop recording. Ooh, okay. I'm pretty sure I can work with the shade. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me give it a quick. If not, I can just it broke. I probably did it too hard. Well, let me just swatch this one. That way I don't have to. It is hard, but that's the shade right there. I mean, we'll give it a try. So this one's this one, and the next product is this Doce. I don't know how you pronounce that. It's Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen, a deeply pigmented and waterproof graphic eyeliner that is easy and effortless to apply. The design of the felt tip applicator allows you to create either a thick or a thin line depending on the amount of pressure used during application. Yes, that is just what I need. Let me just go ahead and okay, now let's go light-handed. Okay, so the top one I did like really hard, and then the bottom I did like really light-handed. I like it, and it's obviously black. I have so many black pencils, but it's okay. I'm not gonna complain. I loved how did I say how much? This one retails for $21, and this Hourglass retails for $28. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is what I got in my Boxycharm. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys got the same thing. I got variation 31, as you can see right here, and that's it. I love everything. The only thing that has me shook is this. I still can't believe it's $135. Yes, I know you're probably like, okay, you're annoying, shush, just deal with it. It's $135, but for me, I'm kind of like, I only paid $25 for this box, and you're giving me a $135 product. Thank you, Boxycharm. Thank you. You made my day. I'm just kidding. I mean, yeah, they made my day. But yes, so that's it for my box. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys got the same box. I know a lot of people haven't received theirs, which is funny because mine, I usually received it around last month. I received it around the 22nd, I think. And this month, I'm surprised that it came by really fast. And I love everything. So let me know, guys. Did you guys receive the same thing? You guys got a different variation? What was your favorite product? Mine was obviously this one because, yes, I won't say it anymore, but yes, I love it. And so yes, guys, that's it for my video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you guys did, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Like, I do get Birchbox. Kind of didn't, I know I probably said I quit, like, but I went back on it because they had a $1 box. I kind of didn't unbox it here because it was just kind of like a quick thing, you know, like just open it and, you know, because they are little samples. But yes, do you guys let me know if you guys enjoy my unboxings, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I know my baby is not in here today, but he is outside right behind the store just waiting for me to get there. He's like, Mom, get over here. See, you can hear that. And yes, so let me know if you guys like this video. Let me know, guys, what you like, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Turn on your little notification bell. I won't be uploading like every single day, but yes, I will try my best. I will try to do some, you know, tutorials or something. I don't really have the time because I am a mommy, so it's kind of hard. But yes, I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe, like, and give me a comment down below what was your favorite part of, or what was your favorite product of the video. And I'll see you guys on my next video. And thank you guys again. And thank you guys again so much for all your love and support. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.